Hello fabulous people, I'm Donyetta. Welcome to my YouTube channel Dyetta, where we discuss all things fabulous. On today's video, it will be an unboxing. I've received another Delta box, and so I'm going to open this up and show you guys what's inside. For those of you who aren't familiar, the Delta box is a subscription-based box that is exclusive for the sorors of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated. If you are a return viewer, I want to say that I appreciate you. Thank you for rocking with me. If you're a new viewer, welcome. I hope that you enjoy your time here on my YouTube channel Dyetta, which is just an abbreviation of my name, Donyetta. We discuss all things fabulous. It truly is a lifestyle YouTube channel. So we discuss everything from fashion, travel, we do vlogs, beauty. We've talked about skincare, makeup, you name it, we have it. If you haven't already and you think those topics would be of interest to you, why don't you go ahead and subscribe? And when you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you'll never miss the upload of a new and fabulous video. Alright, so we're going to get straight into it. So as I mentioned, I received this is the July Delta box. And so I'm going to unbox it here for you guys like I always do, show you guys what's inside. You can look at the description box below. I will have a link in there that if you are a member of Delta Sigma Theta Sorority Incorporated, you can get $10 off of your first box when you subscribe. There are different variations as well for the subscription. I have a monthly based subscription, but you can also edit the frequency according to the options that are available on the website. Alright, so let's get into it. So as you can see, every month it comes with a theme, and this month's theme is Believe You Deserve It and God Will Serve It. The box includes a Delta Crest active polo and skirt set. A little bit of what it says summer has officially begun. That means it's time to get outside, get active, and spend some quality time with yourself to reflect on the blessings that the first half of the year has brought you. I like that. So here is the Delta Crest active polo. And as you can see, the crest is right there. Oh, okay. So this is a short sleeve polo. So again, we have detail on the sleeve. This does appear to be like a dry fit type athletic shirt. So I like it. And then we have our button detail, and again the crest is on the left hand side of the polo. So yeah, it seems to have a little bit of stretch to it, and like I said, it does appear to be like dry fit or moisture wicking rather, and so I guess that goes into the active polo. And then it has a matching skirt. Oh, look at that. So you can see that's the back of it. So this is the front of said skirt. It does have some elastic in the waist. As you can see, the skirt is pleated. It also, yeah, it feels like it's moisture wicking. And a great thing about this skirt is that it has built-in shorts underneath the skirt. And so that is the July Delta box. As I mentioned, there is a link in the description box below where if you subscribe using that link, you'll get $10 off of your first box. I hope that you enjoyed this video. I hope that I will see you guys on the next video. And until then, stay fabulous.